Hello auditors, welcome to Open Zeppelin's Ethernaut Denial Challenge. Over here we got this smart contract, and in order to solve this challenge we have to deny the owners from withdrawing funds. So let's dive into the code. You can see that this is the simple smart contract, a simple partner, state variable, and you can see that the address of the owner is a constant variable. So over here we got this uint that tracks the time of the last drawn and a simple mapping. We got three functions here and a one receive function. So this function we are able to play with it. So this actually sets a partner, and this second withdraw function, it actually sends a 1% to the recipients and the owner. So firstly, you will actually send a recipient 1%, so it actually spends the remaining gas as well. So if there's no more gas, all these will fail and the transaction will revert. So moving on, the best practices is to set a required statement to check whether the transaction has passed or failed so that we can actually move on. But let's just dive into this particular tab. So the difference between transfer, send and call is that transfer will throw an error and has a gas limit of 2300. And for send, it's the same thing as transfer, but then it will return a status of boolean, while for the last keyword call will actually send all the gas to whatever address, and it will actually returns a boolean. And what call is that it has no gas limit unless we specify, of course. So over here, so in order to solve this particular challenge, what we do is that we can revert this challenge using this function, but if we do revert this function, this transaction will continue and sends 1% to the owner, which is not what we want. So what we can do is we can actually use this simple assembly invalid function. So what this does is that it will actually consume all the gas over here and thus failing to continue the transaction. So let's just deploy the denial contract. I'll pause the video now. Okay, the transaction has been mined and deployed, so let's just check. So I've actually submitted the instance, and you can see that we've completed this challenge. So if you guys like this tutorial, please hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.